Hey y'all, it's Boss Nails Divine, and I'm going to show y'all how I created my own press-on nail box for my commercials and showcasing my press-on nails. I found this gift box at Dollar Tree. It's the holiday season, so definitely stock up on these. Get 3 colored papers of your choosing. I decided to go with white. I also picked out my floral flowers. This is the key. And I used a hot glue gun. I ended up running out of hot glue and used double-sided tape. You want to size up each paper on each wall. I went ahead and sized the bottom. You can cut with scissors if you want a nice clean cut, but I just decided to use my box cutter. And you also want to size up the walls. I made sure the paper was sticking off on the sides because you want to give it a seamless effect, like so. And then you're going to want to map out how you're going to have all of these laying. I went ahead and did the bottom last and made sure I got all my corners and stuff in first. And then you're going to want to hot glue it or tape it down to your liking. P.S. If you hear a baby munching in the background, it's my daughter. Sorry. So after I taped down all my edges and corners on the outside, I made sure to tape the sides on the outside just so it has a nice seamless effect. So for these flowers, it was super easy to just pop them right off the stem. You can keep the stem if you want. You just need a heavy scissors to cut through the wire. And I ended up using these flowers too. These nice little bouquet flowers ended up separating into 2 and they ended up becoming a little flatter, so you can work with that if you want. And now this is when you want to map out how you're going to design your box before you glue anything down. Just go ahead and map it out, play with it, and really get super creative at this point. I'm using my double-sided tape to stick on all my flowers. If you want this to be more of a longevity box, I highly recommend using hot glue to glue down all your materials. The last box I did lasted up until now, and that was about a year ago, so this will definitely last you a long time. And if you keep the lid to the box, you'll be able to save these just as little showcases and have just different sceneries for different seasons. This is just me getting super creative with it. This is super inexpensive. You can find all these materials at Family Dollar or Dollar Tree, but I definitely recommend going to Dollar Tree if you want more of a wider variety of flowers for $1. If you're a press-on nail creator, this box is absolutely perfect for you. I'm always balling on a budget, and this box has been able to give me the most beautiful commercials, the most beautiful pictures. It just adds that nice, beautiful background. So definitely get super creative. And if you keep the top to the boxes, you can close the box up, save it for a long time, and just have a whole bunch of different sceneries and different vibes going on. I definitely played around a lot with this box. Because this is going to be a box showcasing my press-on nails, I didn't want to go too crazy with the designs in the background because you don't want to take away the focus of the nails, but I did decide to add a little bit of bling to the pink flowers. So I went in with my UV gel glue and I decided to put that on the flower, and then I went ahead and put my little rhinestones on the inside of the flower and let it cure for about a whole minute. This was actually super fun. In my last box I didn't do this, but it just definitely added a nice elegant touch to the background of my box. I used AB and clear crystals to create this box. I highly recommend using high shine crystals if you are going to put any crystals on your box. I do have some fake crystals I could have put on there, but it just would have been super dull and look super fake, and you really don't want to be too cheapskate on this. But this is what I did to create the nails. You can either use a clear nail holder or a piece of paper like me. So what I did is I went ahead and put about 5 to 4 fingernails on there, and then I cut the excess paper off, and this is what I'm going to use to have my nails in the box as a display. And as y'all can see, it's just giving a nice clean background, a nice white. It does look better with a clear nail holder versus the white paper, but this is the best I can do right now. I hope y'all really enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all subscribe for more nail art tutorials, more DIYs, and more how-to videos. I'm definitely loving this box. You can just see my pictures look a whole lot better now. Hopefully I can make a few more sales. And if you are interested in purchasing press-on nails, the link to my nail shop is in my bio. I have so many more nail videos coming up. I'm gonna get into how I started selling on TikTok and how that ended. Yes, the ending of me selling on TikTok almost literally changed my life, but it's okay because we can always bounce back. And this is me revamping my brand, starting over, and just bringing y'all along for the ride. So I hope y'all subscribe. Stay tuned for more. This is Boss Nails Divine, where you'll find the most luxury nails. Hope to see y'all later. Bye.